In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed HTML in Elementor. If you've ever wanted to add a custom form snippet, embed a third-party widget, or fine-tune a layout beyond what the standard widgets allow, adding your own HTML directly in Elementor is the cleanest way to do it. I'll walk you through the exact process and share a few practical tips so your code displays the way you expect. First, open your page with Elementor. From your WordPress dashboard, go to the page or template you want to edit and launch the Elementor editor. Give the page a moment to load so you can see the live preview on the right and the widget panel on the left. Make sure you're on the correct page or template before you start, especially if you're working on a header, footer, or archive layout where changes apply site-wide. Next, in the widget panel, use the search bar at the top and type HTML. You'll see the HTML widget show up with a simple angle bracket icon. This is the built-in widget made specifically for inserting custom markup. It's lightweight, doesn't add extra styling, and gives you a direct place to paste or write code. Now drag the HTML widget into your page. Drop it exactly where you want your custom content to appear, inside the right column, section, or container. As you drag, watch for the blue placement indicator so you know it's snapping into the correct spot. Once you drop it, you'll see an editor box in the left panel and a live preview area on the canvas. Paste your HTML code into the box. You can insert anything from a simple div and paragraph to a more complex embed. Keep a few best practices in mind here. Only use code you trust, since raw HTML can include scripts. If your code relies on external styles or JavaScript, make sure those files are accessible and won't conflict with your theme. Consider wrapping your snippet in a unique container or ID so you can target it with custom CSS later if needed. Also, think about responsiveness. Use fluid widths or responsive classes so your embed looks good on tablets and phones. When you're happy with the way it looks, click Update or Publish. If the page already exists, Update saves your changes. If it's a brand new page or template, Publish makes it live. That's it. Your custom HTML is now part of the layout, managed right inside Elementor. To recap, open the page in Elementor, search for the HTML widget, drag it into place, paste your code, and save. Simple, flexible, and powerful. And